I'm just drinking. Just drinking Red Horse. I'm from India and you're so cute. Thank you. The reason I block and remove after. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Here, there's a lot. It's just Pinoy like me. You get kid. Are you babysitting them? Yeah, it's a bear. Yeah, she sleep beside me. She can sleep without me. That's why. She can sleep without Mimi. Without Mimi. She can sleep with her papa. I didn't know you drink Red Horse bear, lol. There's no Budweiser. Huh? How do I pronounce this one? Yeah, it's only bear. There's a lot, but I only drink, but it's occasionally. Sometimes, when I'm in the mood. Daddy bro, you're here! Napod lagi ka diri, daddy bro. Nasakpan na pod lagi ko nimo. Daddy bro. Kumusta? Of course. Siyempre. Wala na ka dito sa Pikas. Wala na ka dito, eh. Hello, Hermosa. Hello, Jairo. Di man ko kalimot, Charis. Di man ko kalimot. Di po ko magdumot. Ikaw na may makalimot na ako agad. Charot. Sana all crash. Sana all crash.